It's a lot of pleasure. I found a way to take off the glue without having to scrub. You just have the old glue and pull like this and sorry. Normally I do it with two hands, so it's a bit hard to film and take off the glue at the same time. So I have this big bowl of glue of butyl, and probably because it's not so warm, it's because it's kind of cold. It comes off like, oh, it's so satisfying. See how, guys, I would have spent I don't know how much time to take off this glue. Now I have this big bowl here, and it's coming off like in no time. Like if I do it here, I can take off the little rest. Man, this is so satisfying. Okay, one little try here. I can do one hand now. I have this. This is like raclette scrapers, plastic ones. Ooh. Oh, what was supposed to take me 2 hours. It's gonna take me only a few minutes. Oh, pure joy. Okay, here's the butyl after the job is done. So it took me less than 10 minutes, and it was very joyful. So I will check now to have an idea. Is oh wait, I'm gonna put it on Celsius. So yeah, the the body is about, yeah, sorry, 19, 22, 18, 20. Yeah, so 20. The butyl itself is a bit warmer because it was flexed. So 20 degrees Fahrenheit, 72. 72 Fahrenheit and 22, 20. And see, did the same with the old window, and it was cleaned in also less than 10 minutes, and it was very joyful. So I'm very happy about that, and I am sharing this now on YouTube to anybody who is going to go through this. It was a very nice discovery. I mean, it's a classic, but you never really think about it when you need it. So here it is. Enjoy.